Hello and welcome back for another CFX price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Filecoin chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, breakdown has continued to be seen here on the CFX chart, where we lost significant areas of support at around the $0.2495 mark, in a move that continued to give us further breakdown, giving us a low at around the $0.2112 mark, and the key area of support at around the $0.2 mark has also continued to hold, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And this move to the lower side yesterday was also catalyzed by the suing of Binance, Binance by the United States Securities Exchange, which are news that gave us massive dump in the whole crypto market, giving us this low at around the $0.21 mark here on the CFX chart. And in case the dust for that is the dust for what is happening with Binance and the United States Securities Exchange settles down, then I'm expecting a recovery here on the CFX chart. And as long as this key area of support continues to hold, then I'm expecting a recovery to the upside to the area at around the $0.2446 mark, where we have our next key area of resistance. And a break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest, then continue gearing up in a move that could send us to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.2857 mark, and maybe at some point even see the start, that is a 5-wave structure to the upside, to confirm that whatever we are seeing is an impulse in the formation of that wave 5. And that move is also wholly dependent on what Bitcoin continues to do and what also continues to play out with Binance and the United States Securities Exchange, where on the worst case scenario we could see further dump, losing our key area of support at around the $0.2 mark. And in case that plays out, then the worst case scenario might play out, where we have our next key areas of support at around the 0.1532 or maybe that area, where we could see further dump into our next key areas of support at around the $0.153 mark. And that is what you can expect here on the CFX chart on the short-term point of view. And jumping to the daily chart to give you my analysis, basing it on the Elliot structures, because we have a very nice Elliot structure here on the daily chart. You can see that after seeing our lows on the 23rd of March, we saw an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of that first wave, giving us the all-time high at around the $0.4918 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement areas for this wave 2 highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And this target area yesterday was fully maximized by that further breakdown to the lower side. And that now means that CFX can now get a recovery to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 and also play out in a 5-wave move to the upside. So in case we see a 5-wave move over here on the CFX chart, that would be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And we need to be tracking for such a scenario here on the CFX chart once we start that recovery to the upper side. So continue watching those key areas of support, and I'll be keeping you updated on a daily basis. And we can also take a look at the indicators on the RSI. We are trading at around the 30 mark. We are just about to hit the oversold regions. Also taking a look at the MACD, a bearish cross has been printed. And that's all for this video.